Welding Master is the ONEW 360AR Pro welding training system independently developed by ONEW technology. Utilizing augmented reality (AR) technology, it creates a highly efficient welding training platform that integrates teaching, learning, practice, and assessment, offering an immersive simulated welding experience. This device comes with a realistic welding torch and 8 3D metal components, supporting instructional training in arc welding, stick welding, and TIG welding. There is no need to worry about safety risks such as burns or fires, and no consumables like welding rods or shielding gas are required. Beginners can practice repeatedly without restriction, quickly mastering the fundamental techniques. This device closely
The
replicates the
horizontal
experience
tilt
of
angle is too
real-world
small.
welding operations. With millisecond-level modeling and real-time
The
sensing,
horizontal
it
tilt
provides
angle is too
trainees with
small.
real-time guidance through intelligent voice and visual cues
The
during welding
vertical tilt angle
operations.
is too small.
Features a comprehensive, systematic welding curriculum that provides training in various welding techniques and methods for all types of workpieces, offering comprehensive coverage. Supports flexible, user-defined configuration of WPS process parameters to enable customized training. The teacher dashboard provides centralized management, allowing teachers to easily set course content and assessment criteria, as well as track students' progress. After class, students can review quantitative assessment reports and course replays to improve their skills.